what's up? It's another beautiful day here in Lombok, Bali. Novotel, Kuta, Lombok. Yeah, that's because I always in Bali, that's why I always Bali, but it's Lombok. Yeah, it's a beautiful place, as you can see. Nothing has changing, it's really not so many people here. Only local people, I'm only the one foreigner. To say I'm very big tourist attraction to the local people, especially as they're trying to sell me something. Yeah, and today of course I will meet my friend Dayat and we'll explore about what is actually one of the most interesting things about for me in Lombok, which is circuit MotoGP, which is actually just literally next door. That's why I'm walking here so far, because over there, well, obviously it's fence and nothing is there, but not so far away from that fence over there is circuit MotoGP. And obviously I will talk more later about that, but the Lombok in the past few years has changed a lot. This hotel, Novotel in Lombok, obviously Novotel, everybody knows Novotel brand. It was built about 25-30 years ago in 1990s, and they built like you know, that was something very fancy. And now, well, hotel is still very nice obviously, but Kuta city is very nice and modern. They prepare a lot for the tourism industry, and the MotoGP circuit gonna change everything in Lombok. A lot of people just waiting for that, because of many people will come. But I will talk more about the Moto Circuit GP. I already after breakfast so full, that's why I'm walking here on the beach to burn a little bit these calories and big fat tummy what I have. Could you imagine, I was so skinny a few years ago, really so skinny, 65 kg now, maybe 85. However, yeah, I will talk more today about MotoGP circuit, which is super cool. See you later. arrived to the construction site of the MotoGP. As you can see, it's really a lot of happening here. The tracks everywhere, literally everywhere, tracks, excavators. There is the new petrol station behind me. Oh, somewhere here, another track. Yo! Everybody are happy. A lot of people have a job here. Look how many tracks is behind me. That's crazy. That's really huge investigation, you know. That's not like a $1 million investigation. It's multi-million investigation, and it's government private investigation, I think, or maybe government, doesn't matter. MotoGP circuit must be ready next year. In 2021 they are already selling tickets for racing. I have to find out the way, maybe I will come. That will be really cool when I see how they do the construction of the circuit, and then next year I will have watching the first racing, and that's gonna be the first MotoGP track circuit in Indonesia, the full country, which is super cool. And the army here, and they are just record. I think it's no problem. I do like that. Everybody are happy. It's kind of promotion what I do to the Lombok and Indonesia anyway. And MotoGP is very, like, a lot of people in Indonesia, they are, especially in Lombok, people, they are super proud about that. I will talk with Dayat later on what he's thinking and his personal thoughts about the MotoGP. But personally, I'm super excited about MotoGP. I really want to go for racing. I don't know even how much is the ticket and everything, but I will try my best. Still loads of time till the next year. There will be petrol station, like I said. Also, like I said, in different shot where we drive a bike. The people living around, so they also will have to move on. And as you can see, it's very, very busy. Okay, we will move there into different spot right now. So hot, by the way. So we just arrived, as you saw, on the construction road, and just literally just next to this wall over here is already circuit, Lombok MotoGP circuit Mandalika, and just literally over here, like 10 meters from me, is already the road where the bike's gonna racing. Dayat said this will be finding out if I'm gonna fly drone here, so worth to try. This belongs to the circuit, I mean public area, but the houses over there and the local people who driving there, they have to cross the circuit. Could you imagine that? They're just waiting for the government, they're gonna like replace the land or something like this. Alright, so as you can see, we just stopped still on the way. I will show you. Everywhere is construction in Lombok right now. Actually, so many hotels and MotoGP circuit. And Dayat is from Lombok, so he will tell you what he's thinking about MotoGP. Right, Dayat? What do you think? Is good or bad? Or people are happy? They are not happy with that?
My opinion is
Yeah.
I'm so happy with this because it's gonna be bring more tourists to come, and then the economy gonna grow.
Yeah.
And then
You can
it's good
see
for the local people.
Yeah,
I
you can
think.
see, like we talked last time, Skuta in 3 years ago was not like that, right? It was like not beautiful, like a footpath, like a sign, Kuta Mandalika. Yeah, this is new stuff, right? And hotels everywhere is construction of hotel. Yeah, that's a lot of
Yeah.
people gonna get it now. Look, everywhere are trucks. Look how many trucks are passing there. This is local people working, right? So they are already some construction workers, and they will have like lots of people will get a job, right?
Yeah.
So everyone waiting for that till the next year, right?
And then I think the local people is gonna proud of this because it's the first time in Indonesia, and
Yeah.
then the first circuit by the beach.
Yeah.
Close by the beach.
First in Indonesia and first by the beach. When I fly drone, I will show you some, or maybe already or something. One corner, big corner, is just next to the beach. Could you imagine that? That's something amazing, right? It's unique.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope so. They're gonna build or transform this MotoGP circuit into Formula One. That will be cool also.
In a big space, we need more.
I think it's still a lot of space in Lombok for that they can build on the other side.
And then the good thing of this circuit that you come when after the event,
Yeah.
you can drive for there. It's like for public also.
So later, let's say I can come with my NMAX there and drive.
Yes, and then we race, okay?
That's a good idea. That's actually good.
I'm Valentino Rossi, and you?
Yeah, I will be the Valentino.
I'm Rodrigo. What's his name? I forget.
I forgot. It's okay. Maybe I will come by car. Oh,
Yeah.
so cool. All right. I wanna say also, as I just when I recorded, there was the patrol of police, and they was happy. They say hi. I don't know if I catch it properly, but they was happy because, well, the Lombok people are really proud of this, right?
Yes.
Most of the people, or maybe everyone, they are really proud of the circuit, and also Lombok is developing a lot in the past few years. It's changing a lot for good, obviously, right? Because like Dayat said in the few days ago, I mean, as the Novotel is very old hotel, right? It's like
Yeah.
a 25 years old, 1990 something, but they built their own road long time ago. Was no road, yeah? Asphalt road, was like a just normal sand road, and they built their own road. So 25 years ago was completely different than it's now. Now it's a lot of big roads. You saw me how I show you the roads. It's huge. It's like really like somewhere in different country, you know. So that's great. That's really great. For sure, if I'm gonna get opportunity to come for the first race in Indonesia for MotoGP, I will do it.
Looking forward for the.
Yeah. forgot to mention, oh my god, where is my hand? He's my friend because his wife is from UK and I know her, we know each other. So it's actually like a friendship, but he also owned the travel company, but it's closed.
Yeah. Only few guests for this month, December, yeah.
Yeah. So,
I hope gonna open soon and more guests coming to Lombok.
I think it will be actually after that when they open, this will be very good for you because many people will come to Lombok. And many people like coming mostly to Lombok because they are coming to Bali or they've been in the Bali for the first time, then coming to Lombok, right?
Yeah.
But now many people will come because they are fascinated about the racing and they don't even never been in Indonesia or maybe they even heard. But because they follow the, let's say, Valentino Rossi, they will come for him to Indonesia, to Lombok. And maybe they will love it. You never know. Probably, I am pretty sure about that.
Yeah.
So anyway, so what do you do actually after it's like tourists? Because I see lots of people selling us for me coming bracelets, stuff like the sarongs, Lombok stuff. So what are you doing? You just
so not so much to do because I'm really active on tourism, like bring tourists around, and then but now I'm just helping to take care of the baby.
Oh yeah, because you have a small baby, right? I forgot.
And then I try to open sate on the street.
Sat on the street.
Yeah, but this doesn't work.
Yeah,
But it's good try.
At least you try. At least you try, right? So, so that's good. At least you try.
And then just try to prepare for the next season. So I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Little bit informative about the MotoGP. Comment below what do you think about the MotoGP in Indonesia. I think for many Indonesians it's really big proud. For me, as I'm living in Bali, I'm also proud of it. I really wanna at least once in my life being here for the racing. I hope so many people from Lombok, they will get a lot of job in the future. It's very important actually. A lot of people struggling like everywhere, right? It's not only in Lombok, in Bali, but here you can see a little bit different. A lot of sellers on the street. I hope so everything will well work. I think that will be enough for today's vlog, only about the circuit and stuff like this, a little bit more. Like always, new vlog every day at 4 p.m. now. Before it was at 7, but now at 4. And don't worry, tomorrow is another day from Lombok already. Will be from different area. And then I'll show you more place, more beautiful place.
Yeah, he have also surprise for me. I mean, show something what I have no on my list. I'm very curious. And see you tomorrow, guys. See ya. Take care.